It is literally 2:30 in the morning and I need to get some sleep. See you tomorrow. Check the outfits, but I don't know what to wear. I'm not going for a fashion show for sure, so probably this should be okay. I have my track pants. The weather is going to be between 15 and 24, so I'm not really sure if I want to wear a hoodie. This feels like a much better outfit for me. I don't know. This is polyester. I'll be wearing that hoodie on top. Sorted. I might not be wearing this for the whole hike, so it's okay, right? Cool. All ready and good to go. Have my water bottle and then my hiking shoes. Sharad's waiting outside for like 5 minutes now. I'll show you Sharad in a bit. So the time is 7:33 and we're almost leaving. GoPro set up, sunny day. So that was just the warm-up. This is where the actual hike starts. We didn't get enough parking, so we had to park it like at least 600 meters away, and we've covered that distance. That's the parking lot, and we just started hiking now. How's the drift fit?
Yo. Hi bro.
Alright, I'll see you in some time. Look at this. It's literally We are all geared up. We have all the trekking hiking poles and everything. We have food, water. Let's see how this goes. Campfire strictly prohibited. $345 fine.
ఇంకోటి బేసిక్గా మొన్న కూడా ఓపెన్ అయింది సాయంత్రం 5 o'clock అది మళ్ళీ దగ్గర వస్తుంది
17 minutes, 30 seconds per kilometer.
Chalo, let's go. Dead. Halfway dead. What the hell? Why does it still show 6.5? Why? We already did 3.1. I think this is the level 1 of the hike. We still have 12 kilometers?
Yeah, 12.5.
I guess so, yeah. The first 500 meters was the walk to the parking lot, so, because we didn't get any parking. And to show you one more thing, that poor guy, he's carrying the bags of his friend as well. Oh man, they have hiking bags, tents and everything, and they're still faster than us. I don't know, but we're still doing it. Look at them, they already crossed it. Wow, man.
Water sound is again.
Bugs ఎక్కువనే.
Mandatory for this hike.
Mandatory. Don't forget to get your bug spray and bear spray as well. They were mentioning about it. We didn't know about that. If we had known earlier, we would have gotten that one as well. Exactly. We have reached the first lookout point. This is barrier lookout. Something called a barrier lookout. ikkadi nunchi pante I am dead. So it's basically like a quarry rock mountain. Yeah. Ooh. We are what? 1380 meters elevation from the ground level, or I don't know, from the parking level. See people trying to get here. Not a good place to do some kind of adventure, but yeah. That's some snow-capped mountains there. Oh man, I didn't notice that till now. It looks wonderful. Look at those pine trees. వస్తున్నారు మెల్లగా. mid-hike snacks. We have crossed the campground just now. Forgot the viewpoint name. Bhaiya, viewpoint pere manna indaka. Indaka manam agindi. Barrier lookout. We took an hour break there, so we're a bit late. It's 2:20 p.m. and we just have finished 4 hours of hiking. We did around 10 kilometers, so still have a lot more to do, doing some recordings and everything, but it's fun. And look at just this view from here. Oh man, for a second I thought it's not recording. Yeah, look ahead of him. Look at that viewpoint. That's where I think we're gonna go now. We're gonna reach to the top, and the view should be amazing. Should be lovely. This is lovely. Let's see you in a bit.
Like, I'm never ready. Like, that's what I want something I'm not ready for. Like, you're ready, like, when it happens. You know, like, it's just like anything in life. Like, when you're faced with it, you adapt.
Look at this. Look at this. Hello. Hi. Hi guys. Yeah, I know, right? Is it worth the hike? Lovely. Glad you enjoyed it. Still have 5 more kilometers from here, but we'll be there. This is fun. This is really fun. Tiring, but really fun. I'll meet you at the peak. Look at these trees. Lovely, isn't it? I wish I could show you more, but I'm running out of storage. So as much as I can. I'm shooting everything with the GoPro at least, but it's definitely not the same quality as this. Yeah, this is so fun, man. This is so fun. Look at all these people. The view is getting better every second. And there's more bugs. What the hell? Just over here. He's been waiting for a creek. He's been dying for a creek. Oh man, poor guy. Even I have to fill it up.